your girl Carrie, and today I'm going to share a really quick video. It's going to be a Let's Dish video where I share with you a piece of unique flatware and how to properly use it, the proper etiquette in using this piece of flatware. So in today's video, our specialty flatware is going to be the iced teaspoon. So I'm going to share with you the proper way to drink iced tea. So here we are at our table setting, and over here to the right of me I have our iced tea pitcher, and it's unsweetened iced tea. And then I have our glasses here. We're using the green glass as our iced tea glass, and then down here I have my iced teaspoon. It's a spoon that has a very long handle so that it'll be easy to stir in a long glass. And so this is my iced teaspoon, and over here I have our sugar scuttle, and it has sugar in there, and this is to sweeten our iced tea. So what you would do in order to properly drink iced tea, you would first pour the tea in the glass. After you pour the tea in the glass, you would add your sugar. So I'm going to take my sugar scuttle and grab some sugar, however much you'd like. And then you're going to take your iced teaspoon and stir the sugar until it dissolves. Now the question becomes, what do I do with the spoon after I finish stirring? Well, as you know, I think I've taught in our previous etiquette lesson, once you use a utensil, you never ever place it back on the table. And there's really no place for the spoon to go. And so basically the way you drink iced tea, after you put this, insert the spoon, stir in your sugar, if you're doing the sweetened iced tea, you leave the spoon in the glass and you hold it back like that and bring it up to your lips and drink it. You drink the iced tea with the spoon still in the glass. And once you're finished, you just leave the spoon in the glass, and your hostess, waiter, waitress will come and remove the glass. Now on the rare occasion, you might have a plate, a little underling plate, like a teacup plate for your iced tea for that very reason. If your iced tea glass is on a plate, then you can remove the spoon and place it along the edge of the plate. In my case, I'm left-handed, that's why I'm putting it on the left-hand side. But if you're right-handed, you would put it on the right-hand side. So there you have it, the proper way to drink sweetened iced tea. I hope you enjoyed this segment of Let's Dish, and hopefully I'll be bringing some more unique pieces in my dish collection your way. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.